If you're looking to stop recurring charges on WhatsApp, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with the recurring charges you want to stop. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iOS. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to account. In the settings menu, find and tap on account. This section contains all the account-related settings, including subscription information. Step 4. Manage subscriptions. Look for the subscriptions option within the account settings. Here, you will see a list of all active subscriptions linked to your WhatsApp account. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srog.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should no longer be charged for the recurring subscription on WhatsApp. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support for assistance.